Heat corner fireplaces are predetermined by their unique design for heating low-energy buildings. Glass features design printing, bent or created from two parts, to elegantly and tastefully fit in with even the most modern structures. The combustion chamber, lined with fire-clad bricks, improves the burning dynamics and ecological combustion. The adjustable feet of the Heat series fireplace inserts can be screwed out by up to 50 millimeters. This feature makes it possible to level the fireplace even if the floor surface isn't level. To facilitate operation of the fireplace, primary and secondary air are controlled with a single element. All fireplace inserts in the Heat series are fitted with a central air intake, through which primary, combustion air flows, as well as secondary air, which washes the door glass and keeps it constantly clean. For the most ideal flue gas trajectory, all Heat fireplaces use the double-spin patented system, which results in maximum cleanliness and ecological combustion. The Mammoth accumulation set throughout combustion guarantees your enjoyment of heat hours after the fire goes out. The Heat series fireplace insert will open new horizons for you in modern heating. Don't settle for compromise. Demand Romotop Heat. For further information, please visit www.romotop.com or contact our authorized dealers.